my CC is called Interfaith Spiritual Fellowship. CC made up of people of different faiths, traditions, and it is already over 50 years in existence. Yeah, it was set up by a Hindu Swami in Malaysia, and I'm now chairing this.
Ladies first.
My name is Marites Africa. Marites is short for Maria Teresa. I'm from the Philippines. I've been in the URI for 10 years now. I started in 1998 when I first learned about it, and then attended the summit in Stanford, California in 1999. I was very inspired. I first met Sabah from Mozambique when I went there. He was practically the first URI I met. And from then on, we established a cooperation circle in the Philippines called the Peacemaker Circle. I've been very much involved in that, in building URI in the Philippines. And now, well, I was a trustee, global coordinator, regional coordinator for
Could I
Southeast Asia
please
and the
remind
Pacific.
anyone
And
to
now,
take your
I'm an
photos to
incoming
please check
trustee.
with the people that they're taking photos of that it's okay? Thank you.